Hey everyone, Tanner here with Phone Skope. Just wanted to take a minute today to explain what you should do once you purchase a new phone. So you just upgraded your phone. In this case, I went from a Galaxy S4 to the iPhone 7 Plus. So you might be wondering, do I need to purchase a full kit again from Phone Skope? That wouldn't make sense, right? So no, you don't. All you have to do is purchase a device only, just the case for your device. So you go to our website or your local retailer, you're looking through our devices, you find your phone, the iPhone 7 Plus or whatever it may be, and select that, select device only, and put that into your cart, checkout. It's really simple. So that optic adapter that you purchased with your original Phone Skope kit, that's still going to work with all of our Phone Skope cases. Same principle, just twist and locks in, slides over, your phone's gonna work the same. The way that the cameras are constantly improving, phones are constantly improving, it almost makes sense to upgrade your phone every year. So we get this question a lot. What do I do once I've upgraded my phone? That's your answer. Just gonna need a new phone case. That optic adapter is gonna work with all of our Phone Skope cases. So if you have any questions, drop us a line. Support@phoneskope.com. You can give us a call, 800-790-4480, or if you catch us during our business hours, 8 to 5, typically Mountain Standard Time, we'll have someone on there live and ready to chat to answer your questions.